So this is a very quick one. I have a folder on my hard disk with some images in there, and I would like to make a quick printed layout that I can use to inspect those images. All you need to do in InDesign is go to Window, Utilities, Scripts, and then once you have up the scripts, you just open up the application, Samples, and then you go into JavaScript Image Catalog, double click, pick the folder in which you have the images, click Open. You have some configuration options, how many rows, how many columns. Click OK, and that's it. So now I have 2 pages of images, in total 14 images in my case, with the pictures ready to be printed. There is a second version of the same script here under UXPScript. It's also called ImageCatalog. Has exactly the same function, but it is quite a lot slower. So I'll just quickly show you the exact same thing. Desktop picture, same configuration options. But as you see, it's actually doing image by image, and so it's definitely a lot slower. So if you can choose, pick the JavaScript version.